Hi, welcome to Physical Science 1.1. Today we're going to start talking about velocity, speed, motion, distance, displacement. We'll do several examples in class. First of all, I want you to know that every time you solve any kind of problem in this class, you're going to use EWA, equation, work, answer, and units. All four steps are incredibly important for every single problem. So, speed, motion, velocity, let's go. Motion. When an object changes its speed, motion has occurred. Distance is how far an object has moved. It's the literal distance. It cannot be a negative number. Displacement is how far an object has moved in relation to its starting point. Meaning if it goes along an entirely weird crooked path but comes back to be right in line with where it was, its displacement is only as far from where it started, not the literal stepping distance. Displacement, you have to consider direction. Okay, displacement, you have to consider direction. Speed is equal to the distance an object travels per unit of time. Relationships between speed, distance, and time. Speed is equal to distance divided by time, or d divided by t. Constant speed does not change over a period of time. This is like cruise control. Average speed is the speed of motion when the speed is changing. Average speed is the total distance divided by the total time. Average speed is the total distance divided by the total time. Instantaneous speed is the speed in any given moment. This is your speedometer, whatever it would read. Speed and velocity are going to be used interchangeably in this class. Velocity is the speed and direction of an object's motion. It is its true velocity. However, we will use speed and velocity interchangeably. We will say 88 kilometers per hour. Velocity includes the southwest. We won't make that distinction. All right, here's your equation for your formula sheet. Velocity is distance divided by time. Okay, v is equal to d divided by t. That's going to be the equation in symbols. Equation alternatives, solving the equation for distance is velocity times time. Solving it for time is distance divided by velocity. D stands for distance, is measured in everything you measure distance in, meters, miles, yards, feet, centimeters, inches, etc. Time is measured in seconds, minutes, hours, so on and so forth. Velocity is a mixed unit. Velocity is a distance per a time. And so the slash is per, meters per second, miles per hour, feet per second, and so on.